Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one Apex trigger scenario in Salesforce. The scenario is if account active field selected yes and related opportunity a stage has closed lost, then display error message in Salesforce. So follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in your Salesforce developer org. Then open developer console and create an Apex trigger file account. Then create trigger handler class. Here we will be checking if account active field selected yes and related opportunity stage has closed lost. Then don't allow to update record. Here we will be display error message in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of accounts active field in Salesforce. This is the object name. This is the active field. If user selected active as a yes, then we will be check related opportunity stage field in Salesforce. If any of the related opportunity stage found as a close lost, then we don't allow to update the record of the account. So before updating the account record, we will be check active. If active selected as a yes and related opportunity stage got close lost, then we will be display error message. This account has a related opportunity stage as a close lost. So friends, now let's jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see lab demo example where we will be create a first class trigger on the account and we will be create the account controller and helper and this scenario will be achieved from the first class trigger in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup. There is an option developer console. Open developer console so that we can create a first class trigger in Salesforce. I already opened my developer console in org. Here I created two files, account trigger and account trigger handler. So in the account trigger handler, I will create a method. In the first class method, we will be writing business logic and that method we will be called inside the first class trigger in account. So before writing a first class trigger, let me explain the scenario. Go to the account, open any of the record. As per the scenario is, if we editing the record of account, we will be got active. This is a active custom field, active. This is a custom field of active pick list value. Whenever user select yes, then we will be check related list of opportunity. Go to the related. So in this account, there are two opportunity associated. So here we will be find close lost of a stage. If any of the related opportunity stage got close lost like this, then we don't allow to update the record of account. So in this account, there are two opportunity and one opportunity has stage close lost. So this account, we don't allow to update the record because one of the opportunity has got close lost. So friends, now let's go back on the developer console. Go to the account trigger handler. Here we will be write a method public static void check related opportunity stage. Check related opportunity stage. This is the name of the method. Bracket and curly bracket. Inside the bracket, we will be passing a parameter list of account. ACC list. Then create a map ID list of opportunity. OPP map list new. This is a map ID and list of opportunity. Then we will be create set of ID new set up ID of instance, apply for loop, account, ACC, column, passing account list. Then here we will be add account ID to the setup ID. Setup ID dot add ACC dot ID. After that, we will be write nested SQL query on account so that we will be retrieve related opportunity record based on the account ID. List of account, list object, ACC OBJ list, ACC OBJ list, square bracket, select ID, name, active is a pick list value, that is a custom. Go to setup, object manager, find account, this one, field and relationship, active. So I am searching active, this is a active pick list value. Because here I am checking the active as a yes, comma, bracket, from account, where ID in column, pass this set of ID. And inside the bracket, we will be create a SQL query for the nested opportunity. Select ID, name, stage name, from opportunities. So here I am writing SQL query for the nested SQL query related opportunity record based on this record ID. Then apply for loop, account, ACC2, column, pass account object list. Here I am putting the value of the opportunity list map. Copy opportunity map list dot put account to dot account ID, that is the ID, comma, and here we will pass the list of the opportunities because I created in the map ID and list of opportunity. So here I will be stored related list of opportunity based on this account ID. So related opportunity will be find account to dot, this is a related opportunity. So here I am assigning the value inside the map. So ID will be passed the account ID and list opportunity will be passed to related opportunity. After that, create the instance of the list of opportunity. OPP OBJ list equal to new. Then here we will be writing SQL query on opportunity. List of opportunity, OPT list. Select ID, name, stage name, account ID from opportunity where account ID equal to column, pass the variable. So account ID would be opportunity map list dot reset. So key set, here I am putting the value on my account ID and list of opportunity. So here I am passing the account ID, opportunity key set, then apply for loop. Opportunity, OPP, colon, pass opportunity list. So here I will be a store stage name value. So create set of string, set str equal to new and pass set of a string. So here I am creating set of a string. Here we will be add all of the related stage name of opportunity. Set of a string dot add opp dot stage name. This one. And dot need to write this list of opportunity and save the file. So here I am getting error missing semicolon. Here I am missing semicolon. Save again. File has been saved successfully. After that, we will be applying for loop for the account ACC3 colon. Here we will be pass the list of account. This is a parameter. Then inside the for loop, we will be check condition. The condition is if account is yes. So here we will be check condition if this record active as yes and any of the related opportunity got stage close lost. So this condition we will be apply here if account 3 dot active double equal to yes and bracket we will be check close lost. So here I have stored the stage name inside this set of string. So we will be check set of a string dot contains bracket and here we will be pass the close lost. So if you go to the stage name, this is a value close lost. So if any of the related opportunity of account got close lost, then we don't allow to update the record of account. So here we will be add a error message account 3 dot add error bracket. Here we will be pass the error message related opportunity has a close lost. Related opportunity has a close lost. So if any of the related opportunity got close lost, then don't allow to update the record. Now save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now we will be call this apex class method to the account trigger. So first we will be add action. So this method we will be execute whenever account is updated. So here we will be add before updated, after updated. Before insert by default. So we will be use before update and after updated. If trigger is before, else if trigger is after. So in the before action, we will use context variable and trigger is update. That means if record is updated, then so before update the record, we will be called to the method. So here I am calling this method name. So first copy the controller name and pass here. Dot method name. So method name is check related opportunity stage. Copy and paste here. Bracket. Inside the bracket, we will be pass the trigger.new. So if you go to the method, here I am passing a parameter list of account. So instead of the account list, we will be pass trigger.new. Trigger.new and save the file. File will be saved successfully. So here I created two files. Account trigger handler. Inside the account trigger handler, I created a method. This method I am calling to the account trigger. This trigger will execute before update the record of account. Now let me go to the account object where we will be check the scenario. This is a account object and open any of the account. I am opening one account record. It is the record. As per the scenario, if active field selected yes, then we will be check any of the related opportunity. So any of the related opportunity got close loss stage, then we don't allow to update the record. Detail, go to the detail, it is the record. First I am selecting active as a yes and now going to the save. Here you can find related opportunity has a close lost. This message coming from trigger. Here I am defining related opportunity has a close lost. If I am selecting active field no, then we will be able to save the record. If I am selecting active field as a yes, then here we will be got error message. Because if you checking the related list of opportunity, one record has close lost. If going to the related list of opportunity, now I am changing the value. Now I am going to change the status. Suppose that I am going to change close loss to close on and save. If you go to the related account, this is account related account, take W3 wave. Now go to the related. There are two opportunities. So there are no any of the record has close lost. If you go to the detail page, now I am updating the record. Now I am selecting yes. Then now I will be able to save the record because this account has no related opportunity stage as a close lost. So now go to the save button. You are able to save the record because related list there are no close lost any of the record. If you going to the change opportunity and change the status close lost. Currently it is a close on. Now I am changing close lost and save. Now go to the related account. Now try to update this record. Don't allow to update the record because one record of opportunity stage name has close lost. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting anything of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Wave. Then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.